Good morning. I am ready for the day. Good morning. I am ready for the day.
I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
I eat breakfast before school. I eat breakfast before school.
See you later. See you later.
Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you?
I know the answer. I know the answer.
I need this book. I need this book.
This food looks good. This food looks good.
I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework.
I am working on a project. I am working on a project.
Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting.
I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee.
I need some vegetables. I need some vegetables.
How much is it? How much is it?
It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day.
I exercise to stay healthy. I exercise to stay healthy.
Dinner is almost ready. Dinner is almost ready.
Let's eat together. Let's eat together.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow.